just think that's so neat. It's just the thing with the little stuff, but you know. It's so neat.
Okay, ready? It's gonna be a little warm. You said you were cold. Not too hot, not too bad.
It's good. Now I could go to sleep.
Okay. Carrie, were you a handful in school?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wasn't in there a lot. It's funny, everyone knew who I was. But I didn't know them. I feel like everyone knew who Kendra was because I didn't know nobody, but I knew who Kendra was too. And she referred some guy who's coming here that we went to school with. He's coming tomorrow at 11. And he called and was like, "Hey, Carrie, congratulations on the spa. This is Erin, blah, blah, blah." And I was like, "Oh, hey. Did you graduate with us?" Like, and he was like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Okay." Okay. If you say you was there, you must have been there.
Right.
It's like, it's funny. I miss too much school. My feet were always dry.
Valentine's Day is going to be crazy busy.
Should I put this in the email? Do you want to do this that weekend?
It will take up a lot of time.
Yeah.
I'm still a rookie. I haven't perfected everything. I don't have all the equipment I need.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all I was practicing. I needed your help. Because in the class that I'll be taking, sometimes they're online and sometimes you do have a partner. But then the partner that will have, I'm like, wait a minute, you already have perfect feet. This ain't going to, we really can't do anything. And the instructor, she was like, yeah, this is the only time where having a model is a bad thing when they already have perfect feet. What you gonna do? Yeah, we still go through the motions, the movements, but it's gonna hurt every single time because it's already super smooth.
Yeah.
Even at the lowest setting, it's still too much.
Yeah, I have dry feet.
Well, you work. You're always on your feet.
Yeah,
People who have like
that's
perfect
true.
feet don't really do shit. Like, what do
They're
they
not
really
running
do?
around.
They ain't doing shit. Right.
Yeah, that's true.
Mm-mm.
That is true.
And you have nice feet. And the only way another perfect person might have perfect feet like that is if they really wear the proper shoe size. They ain't wearing heels all the time. They're not. I'm talking about no bunions. You don't have bunions, of
No, I
course.
don't have any of
You
that.
do great.
I
So
don't.
you wear the proper shoes.
They told me to wear socks a lot. Well, they told me the guy was like, if you're gonna wear Birkenstocks all year, you have to put socks on because it's just you're just like putting your feet out in the cold and the elements, and it's just really bad for your feet. Yeah, because I don't care. When I just need to run to the store real quick, I'll just slip them on. He's like, the nail guy was like, the pedicure guy was like, you need to put on socks if you're gonna do that. And then, you know, but you know, they say like as far as bunions and all the little stuff that comes with bad feet, like your feet need to breathe. My feet, that's probably why I don't have any of that stuff, because my feet are constantly getting oxygen.
And again, you probably wear the proper shoes. You don't get bunions with everything. It's just rubbing up against something that will cause a bunion.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Exactly. You don't have anything. You can tell you wear the right fitting shoes. You know, women always want to wear like a shoe size lower or something like that.
Because I like flats.
Good. Well, I mean, there's nothing wrong with wearing a size under if you're only wearing it for like 2 hours or less. Now, if you're working a full 6-8 hour work day and your feet,
these tight ass heels.
You've been to the club before, like, you know what I mean?
I wear heels. But even my heels are comfortable. Because the ones that aren't comfortable, they've turned into just a display in my house. Like, I don't want to, I'm looking at them like, I don't want to sell them. I'm like, Kyla can wear those later if her feet don't get too big. But I'm done. They in there. Like,
they be hurt. Like girls at their club, I be seeing
they pointy toed. I'm like, I don't know how I used to do it.
I don't know any woman that. I'm talking about you dancing, like for real dancing. I'm talking about for hours. A club, okay, say you're there for even just 3 hours. That's 3 hours of standing on your feet, pushing it. Oh, and then after the club, normally you see the girls carrying their own shoes. They take their shoes off and just walk barefooted down the street because they don't give a fuck. Like, the ground's more comfortable than your fucking shoes.
Well, you know the vibe.
Oh my god! So imagine doing that every day, going to work trying to be cute all day, every day.
I used to do it. It was a lot. I did, but when I was younger, it didn't seem like so much work.
But then again, like you said, you wore the right size. Wearing the right size heels. Some people don't like having like clown. I'm like, motherfuckers ain't gonna be watching for that. I don't care how long that woman's foot is. As long as you wear some heels, we go look. Trust me. If it's the right size, it won't hurt your feet because you're wearing the right. But if it's a size small, you're trying to be cute all day. 6-inch heels, red bottoms. Red bottoms are actually really, really bad for anybody's feet. You don't see anybody just saying, "Oh, I wear red bottoms to sleep." Or that heel is like here, and then you're up. Like, how the hell? Like this part is up. Right, you're walking literally like this all day.
Yeah, I don't like it.
They look great. Don't get me wrong. But they're really only for
photos.
They are not meant to go to work.
That's true.
It's just horrible. Like you're really hurting your foot. That's why we have podiatrists for a reason. Like there's not even enough podiatrists even in the whole world, not just United States, but the world. Because everybody has foot problems somehow, some way. Men have it bad because there's not a lot of wide cut shoes. Like my stepfather, he has a wide ass foot. His foot is wide. Like I don't understand. Like, how's your feet so? He's not long footed. He's just wide. It's weird.
Like a panda.
Yeah, it's like a big glove. I'm like, what the fuck wrong with you? But he's always been that way ever since. I always thought.
Does he look like a panda?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Like,
cool.
Probably. He does.
That's cool.
He does. But when we go to that special store, there's other guys like him. Like, oh. And then I'd be looking at his feet like, oh, yours ain't as big as his. Look at. I'm like, oh, have mercy. What do you do?
That's funny.
It's just crazy. It's like his feet is like a catcher's mitt, like it's super huge. Like, That's why I don't get on my feet no more.
He needs Birkenstocks.
He needs something. I don't know what the fuck.
Socks and Birkenstocks. That's all he needs.
But no, he makes it work. It's just he can't wear like regular cutting like Nikes because Nikes are narrow. They don't make a wide Nike unless you specially order them maybe.
Yeah.
And him trying to fit his feet be jacked up at the end of the day. Because he tried. I bought him some Nike boots years ago.
Yeah.
Thinking that was going. We bought him Timberland. Because it's still narrow. And it hurt his feet. Like, nah. So it's not just one. It's just people got different size feet.
I wonder if the clients are here.
Oh, it's 110.
I just had that call.
That was in the
Or
room.
maybe it's Kendra.
Yeah, that was in the room.
Okay, good.
It's 110. We alright. We're gonna be alright, Carrie. We're gonna warm the feet up with a nice hot towel. Put some hyaluronic acid on the feet, and we good. We Gucci. Okay. Nice and warm. Well, that's just gonna be a little hot, Carrie. Not bad.
It feels good because my feet are cold.
A little cold. Some hyaluronic acid. We'll put some hydration back into the foot.
I know.
Nice and smooth.
Thank you. See how thick the skin is there? Yeah.
I see. Put some do not harm spray. So cold.
What does that do?
Just protection. Do no harm. It's just peppermint.
Yeah.
Opens up the pores, so now the stuff can go inside the foot.
Good. Hopefully feel better.
Alright, hurry up so you can do this ab real quick. All you gotta do is stay right there. I'll cover you back down. Move the bucket.
Okay.
Look, you're fine. Just gonna move your blanket. Or want me to take this blanket and move it down this way? Or move this one down to this way?
It doesn't. Just put it back over my head.
I'm gonna grab on you and then cover you this way.
Okay.
There we go. Unravel you again.
Cold, man.
How do you even have all this? What are you
It
doing?
was cold.
I know. It is a
I'm
little
gonna
frosty.
turn the heater on and it's cold.
No, it'll short out the thing again.